So once we are inside our WordPress dashboard, let's click on Squirrly SEO. Over here, we can see the AI Consultant section. The next SEO goals. If we are scrolling, we can see some tips and tricks. We can see the progress and achievements. We can also see the main features and, of course, free learning materials, as well as a way to access the knowledge base. So let's scroll back up. Over here, we can see the SEO beginner mode, as well as the SEO expert mode, and of course, the user profile data. So whenever we want to switch from SEO beginner mode to SEO expert mode, we just have to click on it. For this tutorial, I'm going to stay in SEO beginner mode. If I'm going to change the mode, I'm going to let you know. Squirrly runs an initial SEO check during the onboarding process, highlighting any major errors affecting your site. Of course, you can always manually run additional SEO tests anytime to update your site's goals by simply clicking over here on Run New SEO Test. As we can see, it is checking the website. These tests ensure you are always working on the most relevant and impactful task for your current SEO status. So let's take a look at those tests. We first have the name of the test, which is Reach Perfect SEO Content Optimization for all focus pages. We then have what features are used for this particular task, as we can see over here, the focus pages and the live assistant, and how long this task could take, as well as a button of Show Me How, and the next in order to ignore a task. By clicking on the Show Me How, we are going to get detailed guidance. Once again, we have the name of the task, Reach Perfect SEO Content Optimization for all focus pages. We then have an option to deactivate the task if we want to ignore this task and not work on it. We have the option to close it. We have a description of the task. Experts SEOs don't settle for reaching 30%, 50% or 60% optimization level when trying to get a page on the first page of Google. As a future SEO star, reaching perfect SEO optimization is a skill you must master as well, as it gives you the best chances of ranking. Of course, we also have the solution. Go to Squirrly Focus Pages and look at the SEO content column. Click on a red or green light, then look at the right sidebar. Then you will see all elements that compose the final SEO content scoring to achieve red or green. Click on each element and read the instructions that show you how to complete each task, the ones from the sidebar. We then have the option to mark as done when we have completed this task. Of course, if the task is marked complete but not fully implemented, it will reappear in feature tests, ensuring no critical issues are overlooked. And of course, we can click on Let's Do This. So by clicking over here on Squirrly Focus Pages or by clicking over here on Let's Do It, we are going to be taken to the specific features where we can solve this issue. As we can see over here, we see only the column for SEO content, where the issue is. By clicking on it, the tests that are relevant and that still need to be completed. By clicking on the task, we once again have the details of what we have to do and why is it important. So let's get back to the dashboard. As I mentioned before, if a goal isn't relevant for you or you choose not to work on it for some reason, you can simply click over here to deactivate the task. Another way you can deactivate the task is by clicking on this X over here. Ignore goals are not permanently lost. They can be reactivated by clicking over here on Show Hidden Goals. Once again, we can see the features that we need to use for a particular goal over here. By clicking on it, we can learn more about the feature and understand why is it important. So by clicking on Show Me How and clicking on the feature from over here, we are taking to that feature specifically. So that way, it's very easy to access the particular features that we might need at the exact time that we need it. If we are scrolling a little bit, we can see over here tips and tricks. Completing goals from Squirrly AI Consultant moves you to top 10 position in Google search in the shortest possible amount of time. Keep completing goals and you'll see progress and achievement messages that appear below. By scrolling a little bit more, we can see the progress and achievements section over here. As you complete more goals, your site's performance improves, and Squirrly provides you with visual progress updates, so you can celebrate every victory and achievement. So as a recap, an easy way to discover the features that make Squirrly SEO stand out is to focus on completing the to-dos from the next SEO goal section. This section brings you priority tasks that need solving and that are different from site to site. Following the instructions to complete those tasks is an excellent way to discover more features from Squirrly at the best time and focus on the to-dos that will generate the highest impact. Of course, I will also encourage you to consider starting the 14 days journey to better rankings if you haven't done so already. We had many customers who have seen remarkable improvements after following the guidance we provided there. If you haven't done the 14 days journey to better rankings, you are going to see that section in the dashboard. As I have already completed, I have to go over here to all features. In the search bar over here, search for 14 days and click over here to see feature. And this way I can see the feature again. As you can see over here, you can join the journey team on the Facebook group. By clicking on the day that you are going to be taken over here where you get a set of instructions of what you should complete on that particular day. So the 14 days journey to better rankings is for those looking to see tangible improvements quickly. It's a guided experience that walks you through daily tasks that are designed to boost your site's SEO performance significantly. So navigating the Squirrly SEO dashboard and plugin is straightforward regardless of your SEO experience level. By following the task and utilizing the tools provided, you'll be well on your way to improving your site's SEO and achieving better rankings. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.